Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save your workbook in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Choosing the right method to save or publish your Tableau workbook depends on your specific needs and intended audience. Now, once you are here on the dashboard, I want you to go to the recent file that you have been working with. In my case, that's going to be this sheet. All right, I'm going to click on it. And then now, once you are on the file that you have been working with, you see, all you're going to do is go to the file on the upper right corner. Okay, and then from here, and you would realize that there's no option for you to save your Tableau workbook here on the Tableau web browser version, all right? Because you need to download the Tableau workbook, the desktop application itself. Now, if you haven't already, just download the Tableau for free desktop version. You see it's free, no credit card required. And once you've done that, basically you have so many options saving as a Tableau workbook. The first one is the .twb. The TWB format does not include the data source, resulting in a smaller file size. Now, it makes it easier to manage and store locally. All you're going to do is hover down here at the file and, of course, save as. We have now multiple options here, all right? So you have the .twbx and the .twb. Right, whichever is your preferences. After that, all you're gonna do is click on save, and the next option that you can do from here is basically exit this one. I want you to go to the file again and go to the export as version. What will happen is you have more options if you're running currently the Tableau version 2024.2. This action will save a new workbook and will not overwrite your existing workbook. That means you can also export it as the lower version for different formats. For example, you can save it as Tableau 2022.2, Tableau 2023.02, and 23.3. All right. Now, these are suitable for public sharing, portfolio building, and contributing to open data projects. I believe that the TWB and TWBX are best for sharing with others who need access to both the workbook and data, ensuring portability and simplicity. Now, basically, that's how you save your Tableau workbook here on the desktop application. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.